Vortex mixers are versatile laboratory tools used for mixing and homogenizing liquid samples. For applications with specific requirements, customization options can enhance functionality and improve workflow efficiency. Let's explore the benefits and considerations of customizing vortex mixers. Customization benefits. 1. Enhanced functionality. Tailored features can better suit the specific needs of your application. 2. Improved efficiency. Custom configurations can streamline workflows and save time. 3. Increased precision. Specialized settings can provide greater control over mixing parameters. Common customization options. 1. Variable speed control. Fine-tune mixing speeds for delicate or complex samples. 2. Timer settings. Programmable timers can automate mixing processes, reducing hands-on time. 3. Temperature control. Heated or cooled vortex mixers can maintain samples at specific temperatures. 4. Attachment compatibility. Special adapters or holders for various sample sizes and types. 5. Software integration. Connectivity options for data logging and remote monitoring. Before customizing a vortex mixer, consider the following application requirements. Clearly define the needs of your specific application. Cost-benefit analysis. Evaluate the cost-effectiveness of customization versus off-the-shelf solutions. Technical support. Ensure access to technical support and maintenance services for customized units. Customizing a vortex mixer can provide significant advantages for specialized applications. By selecting the right features and configurations, you can optimize your workflow and achieve more precise results. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.